YouTube, what's up with you guys? Back again with another banger. Hey, I know y'all guys been wondering, does the guy still work contracts anymore? Does he do work? Well, yeah, I got another contract for you guys today. And look, stick tight. You'll never believe what I'm getting paid to pick up and deliver this order. All right, guys, we got the package and we ready to hit it. Going from Flower Mound, Texas to Temple, Texas. So come along with me, guys. Hey, we finna run it up. Okay, guys, I just completed the drop. It was a medical package for a patient at Baylor Scott and White Hospital. As far as the delivery, super smooth. I got in and out, and hey, easy money in the bank. 140 miles for about $200 plus. You can't beat it. So you guys stick tight, and I'll be dropping more bangers here back to back. And I'm just excited for the future of this channel. And also thank you guys for your support. Dearly thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. And you guys stick tuned for the next video. Peace.